Okay, so one of the things that gets overlooked a lot in owning a boat or boating, you have a drain plug, and depending on your boat, you might have one or two of them. This boat has actually two, so there's one on this side and another on the other side. But how do you use the drain plug is, what I prefer is, I like putting it on the other side of the hole, but you can also put it in on this side. And once you stick it in, you rotate it clockwise. So you rotate it clockwise, boom, 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 and boom, it starts to feel tight. And once it gets tight, it's like it's sealing, and then you just push this down, boom, and now you're ready for the water. See, this thing's not going anywhere. It's not going to come out. You know, you're going like 30 miles or 40 on the water. This thing is not moving out. So, and when you take it out, you just do the opposite, rotate left, and boom, it comes out, and you can drain the water out of your boat. So I hope this video helps you. If you're a new boater, make sure you don't forget your drain plug. Peace out, like, comment, subscribe.